Hello guys, before you start going to overpay suppliers again, watch how I place order on 1688 the right way. So hello guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, Amiable's Corner, where importation meets lifestyle. Okay, so on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to place order the right way. Stop going to overpay suppliers. If they say their item is 35 yuan, you go and give them 35 yuan. No! Watch how I place order the right way. You're going to be seeing me buy items worth much for less. Yes. So let me show you how I do it. Let's delve into the video for today. But before then, hello my old subscribers. You guys are massively loved. And if you just see my face for the first time, thank you for stopping by to watch our videos. Please make sure you watch the video to the end, and please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to drop a comment, right? Please don't also forget to hit your notification bell, so when next I post a video, you will be among the first persons that is going to watch the video. Okay, and then don't forget that I've designed a beginners friendly simple course on mini importation. If you want to learn the business, if you want to be among those that are cashing out monthly from this business, you want to do it the right way. It's not just about importing. Are you importing the right way? Okay, and that's what made me to create this friendly beginners course. Being in the business for over 6 years, going to 7 years now, I have learned so much, and I feel that I am in a better position as well to tell you what to do and what not to do. And that's why I've created this beginners friendly clause. It is very simple to understand. You don't need to crack your brain to understand it, right? So if you are interested in starting up an importation business, check the description box of this video. There is a link on the description box. If you click on the link, it's going to take you to getting the course. I want you to succeed, and I know you're going to get the course and you're going to succeed. So please, without wasting much time, let's delve into the business for today. Let me show you how to import the right way. The right way. Let's go. Okay guys, so on today's video, let's use this vacuum cleaner. Okay, so I want to get this vacuum cleaner. I want to get 3 pieces of this vacuum cleaner. Let's see. Let's place order for 3 pieces of this vacuum cleaner. So the first thing I need to do is I need to save it. Okay, I've saved it into my device. So now I'll be going to my Chrome. I'm using my Chrome today. Okay, so I'm going to my Chrome. Okay, it's loading. So my Chrome uploaded, so I'll be using a picture search, right? So if you don't know the different types of searching on 1688, please check my previous video. You're going to see different types of searching on the 1688 app. Okay, so for today I'm going to be using my my picture search, and then I'm going to be clicking here. Here you're seeing visual search. Here you're seeing visual search. That's icon there. That's where you will be clicking on. So now we've clicked on it. Remember, what we want to make payment for is vacuum cleaner. So I'll be selecting the vacuum cleaner. I've selected the vacuum cleaner. Then I'll be clicking on here that said add. Let me show you here. Sorry, let me take this up. Here that says add. We'll be clicking there, right? So I've clicked on it. Remember, I selected the vacuum cleaner. I've clicked on it. So I think it's loading. But if it's wasting time, just go ahead and do it again for the second time. Sometimes you try it more often before it can work, be due to their sites. Here, look at it. So now you're going to click here. See where you click here that is showing search for. That place, you're going to click on it. So I've clicked on it and it's loading. Like I've previously said in my previous video, Why picture search is the best way to search for item on 1688 is that if you have something in mind, now you go for the normal searching on 1688. If you don't have anything in mind, you're just looking for what to buy from the site. But if you have something in mind you want to search for, use the picture search. This way you see different stores, different sellers, right? This is a seller, a different store. This is another seller, one store. This is another seller, different store. So you get to choose from different sellers. All these things you're seeing here are different sellers with different stores and different prices. Okay, different. If you keep on scrolling down, you see them. You see thousands of sellers selling the same thing, but their prices might not be the same. Some might be the same, and the store might not. The store is not the same. Okay, so let's remember I said we want to buy 3 pieces of it. So let's check for the store we want to buy from. Okay, so I'm scrolling down, so you see that there are still so many. Okay, so you see that there are still so many stores that still have the vacuum cleaner we are looking for. Now this is where you need to choose, and I'll say don't just go for pricing, like just because you're seeing that one store is trying to sell for 6 point something RMB, another store is selling for 13, another store is selling for 5, another store is selling for this, then you will now go for the cheaper one, especially when you're buying items for customers, right? When you're running a pre-order business, when you're buying items for customers, because if you don't buy solid items for the customers, they will leave you. There are so many people doing pre-order, they will go to the next available person. Okay, so when you give them solid products, they tend to stick with you. Even when someone is introducing them to someone else, they'll be like, let me stick with the person I've known for long. Oh, I know that she gives me or he gives me quality item. Okay, so that is it. So now let's look for who we want to buy for. So I'm zooming in a little bit to source for what I want. Okay, so now I'm seeing that this store, this store, this store, this store. I want to work with like 5 stores. I want to choose 5 stores and see this store, and even this store is selling what I want, but I'm seeing different prices. I'm seeing 6.26, I'm seeing 6.08, I'm seeing 5 point something. It does not necessarily mean that it's the one that has the highest price that will give you the most quality products. Okay, so let's pick out 3 stores from here. Let's compare these 3 stores and see which one we are going to buy this item from, right? So I click on this 6.08. It's going to load in another tab. I'm going to remove it. I'll come back to this. Remember I clicked on the 6.08. It's still showing find similar there. So I'm coming downward. I'm clicking on the next one that has 6.26 here. I'll be clicking on this store 6.26. So I've clicked on it, 6.26. It's loading. We'll leave it and come again. So we want to compare 3 stores, right? Okay, so the next one is I want to choose another store from the third line, or let me leave it, choose another store from this. Okay, let's see this one that says 2.79. Let's see if it's a discount or what. Let's just click on it and see. So we're working with these 3 stores. Let's compare. Anyone that has more quality is what we'll be buying, right? So if you've not watched videos on how to check on stores, please, you can check my videos. You're going to see it and then you can watch. So this is 6.08. Now the star rating is 5, solid. Okay, the return rate is 50, is on an average, and then the customer service is 4. For me, then we go for the reviews. The vacuum cleaner is really useful. It can clean up trash. It comes very well, and it's also very convenient to store without taking up much space. Okay, so reviews matter a lot. I've said it previously. So if you want to check more reviews, you click on view all reviews. Okay, if you don't click, I clicked on view all reviews and it's loading. If you don't want to check more reviews, just leave it. For this store, I'll say the store is okay because there are reviews, and okay, so you're seeing it. So their price is actually, so see their real price is actually from 25.80 RMB to 28.60 yuan or RMB. Okay, so they have different types. This one, they have colors black. We're seeing the colors. We're seeing black, we're seeing green, black, Chinese, green, black, green. So it's three different um designs, but two colors, black and green alone. So we're clicking on the first one. Let's see the picture that will pop up if it's what I want. So we're clicking on the second one. So this is it. Look at it, right? So we're clicking on the third one. This is what came out. Then we're clicking on the fourth one. This is it. So this is what we actually want. Remember, we look at what we want here. So you can see, right? Look at what we want is exactly this. So which is this? Which is the I think that's the last one there. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5, see, that's the sixth one. The sixth one is what we want, and the price is 28.6 yuan. Okay, the price is 28.6 yuan. So now see here that says inventory. They have 50,000 items available of this particular design. So you're going to be clicking on this plus sign. That plus sign, we're going to click on it 3 times to add 3, because we want 3, right? So let's click on it. One has added, 2 have added, 3 have added. Okay, so now see, let me zoom it so you see what I'm sorry. Let me zoom it so you see what I'm talking about. Okay, so here look at the price for the 3. They are giving us for 85.80. Then this one you're seeing 12 here is called local shipping, right? Once it does what they call local shipping, the transportation, just like dispatch riders, okay, that will take it from the sellers or supplier's office to your shipping company. That is the price you will pay. So they say for these 3 vacuum cleaner they want to send to our location, because my supplier's address is already there, they are seeing it. So if I place the order, they will take it there because I've already set it. Okay, so they said they're going to charge 12, right? It has changed a bit. Okay, this is price for 1, the shipping is 4. So when they now add 3, shipping now went to 12. Let me do so that I think we reload. When we added it to 3, shipping now went to 12. Let me reload it. Okay, I think it's network. Okay, so let's choose it again. 1 2 3. So this is it. That's come back to 12. So where you click on now is this order now. So we'll be clicking there. I've clicked on it, order now. I want 3 pieces of green color, I don't want black. So I've clicked on order now. So this is where it's bringing me to, right? This is where it's bringing me to right now. You are seeing that when I clicked on it, the price was 80 something, right? But see what they are telling me to pay. They're telling me to pay 58. They are telling me to pay 58. Okay, so the price was 85. There, look at the price. 85.80. Okay, so the price was 85.80 plus their local shipping, that is 12. It made it to be 97.8, but they are telling me to pay 58. They're telling me to pay 58.35. Sorry, I'm trying to use my calculator. They're telling me to pay 58.35. So they are giving me a discount of 39.45. This is it, right? It's not just that it's going to be given to everybody. No, you might try placing an order on this particular month now, and you will not be getting this discount. Trust me, you will not be getting it. Okay, so and that makes me to say, if you want to know how this happened, how this massive discount came into play, please get our course. In that course, I have taught everything you need to know, right? So this is it. This is how I get massive discounts when I want to place orders. Okay, so they're giving me discount of 39.5. I have to pay 58.35. 58.35. Okay, so I got my let's use RMB for 210. Okay, times 210. So 58.35 times 210 for 1 RMB, which is 12,253.5. Remember, I'm placing 3 pieces of this, right? So it's 12,003 something, 2 something divided by 3 pieces. So I'm buying 1 piece of that vacuum cleaner for 4,084 naira. Go on Gigi, go on Jumia, see how much is being sold. It's sold for over 25,000 naira. I'm not capping. So, but I'm getting it from China from 1688 at a discounted price of 4,000 naira. What? So this is how to place an order on 1688. So the next thing I have to do is to submit the order. Right? I'm submitting the order and it's loading. So it's loading to where they will tell me to put in my Alipay password and confirm so the money can leave my Alipay account. Okay, so this is it. Once they just show where they say put in your Alipay password, you just put in your Alipay password and immediately they will tell you successful, right? So this is the easiest way to place an order on 1688. So thank you very much and bye. Okay, so first of all, before I go, let me show you. So this is it. And then we're playing with Alipay. So we just click on the next one, which is Alipay, right? And then you now agree to the agreement and pay. Okay, so let it load. See where they will ask us to put our password. And then after you just put in your password, the next step is they will just tell you payment successful, transaction successful. That is it. This is how to place an order on the 1688 app. It's not difficult at all. So they are directing us to Alipay, and now they'll tell me to put in my password. So this is it. This is it. It's not difficult at all. This is just it. It's still loading. The network is bad. Here we have it. It's loading. So they're telling me this can be translated. That's why we say use your browser. Use browser so you understand. So this is it. So once I put in, I have about 4,000 something you on there. So once I put in my 6-digit password, on my Alipay right now, I'm done. That transaction is successful. I've bought it. Okay, guys. So thank you for staying to the end of this video. I love you guys. Bye.